In today's video, I will be explaining to you how you can actually solve this nice Olympiad math question. It looks complex, right? But trust me, it's not hard. Let's take them step by step. First of all, I will advise us to actually start with the upper part. That is the x squared minus 4x plus 4, which is a quadratic equation. Now looking at this, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4. So this is a quadratic equation, and the question here is, what are those two numbers, those two values, that when you multiply them, you'll be having positive 4, and if you also add them, you need to have minus 4. The values are minus 2 and minus 2. That is minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 will give you positive 4, and at the same time, minus 2 added with minus 2 will give you negative 4. That is x squared minus 2x minus 2x. Then we have positive 4. These values you're seeing here will replace the word minus 4x. That is, this will be in brackets, and as well, this will also be in brackets. So something is common, which is x. X squared divided by x will give you x. 2x divided by x will give you 2. That is, we have this to be minus. Something is common, which is 2. 2x divided by 2 will give you x. And 4 divided by 2 will also give you what? Will also give you 2. Minus multiplied by plus, we have minus. Looking at this, the two brackets looks alike, which is, we'll take them as 1. Removing this and this, we are left with what? X and minus 2. That is, we'll be having x and minus 2. Now, this question has been reshaped to be 2 raised to the power of x minus 2, x minus 2, being equal to 5 divided by 4. Now, looking at this, I can say this should be 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 all squared, being equal to 5 over 4. Now, what do you think we can do here? Of course, we can take the log of both sides. We're looking for the value of x, which is at the top of 2. So taking the log of both sides will actually help us. But we're advising us to take the log base 2 of both sides so that things can actually cancel out. That is, we're having log base 2, 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 squared, being equal to what? Log 5 over 4 base 2. Now, looking at this, what do you think will actually happen? There is a rule of logarithm that states that log b base a can also be equal to b log what? Log a. That is, it means that this thing you're seeing here, we actually have to what? Come down. That is, we're having this to be what? X minus 2 all squared, being log what? Log 2 base 2, being equal to, we'll be having this to be equal to, we have log base 2, 5 over 4. Now, looking at this, you can see that we have log 2 base 2 here, all right? Which rule? Actually, what's the rule of logarithm here? Okay, this is actually going to be giving us 1, because the rule of logarithm states that if we have, let's assume we have log a base a, definitely this will be 1. If it is log 10 base 10, it will also be 1. So if they're having the same base and the same log, it will always be equal to 1. That is, this will be x minus 2 all squared multiplied by 1, being equal to what? Log what? Log 5 over 4 base 2. Now looking at this, this is x minus 2 all squared, being equal to, this can be written, all right, can be splitted to be log 5 base 2 subtracted by log what? Log 4 base 2, because of the what? The division sign. That is, now looking at this, what do you think we can actually do? This can be x minus 2 all squared, being equal to log 5 base 2 subtracted by log 2. The 4 can be 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, the rule of what? The rule of logarithm, as I said before, that if you have something like this, the 2 will have to do what? Come down. So we'll be having this to be what? We'll be having this to be the left-hand side, all right, which is actually x minus 2 all squared, okay, being equal to log 5 base 2. These two will have to do what? Come down. That is minus 2 log what? Log 2 base 2. Now, looking at this, okay, this is already what? Is already 1, which is x minus 2 all squared being equal to log what? Log 5 base 2 minus 2. Because this thing you're seeing right here is already 1. Now looking at this, okay, what do we have to do? We are looking for the value of x. So we need to take the square root of both sides so that we can easily find the value of x. So this is x minus 2 all squared. Taking the square root will automatically remove the square, which will be equal to square root of what? Log what? Log 5 base 2 minus 2. Now the square cancel with the square root. That is, we are having x minus 2 being equal to what? Plus or minus square root of what? Square root of log 5 base 2 minus 2. That is, when this negative 2 you're seeing right here, okay, goes to the other side to give us a what? Positive 2 plus or minus square root of what? Log 5 base 2 minus 2. And this is the final answer to this question. I hope you find this helpful and I hope you understand this. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to subscribe, like, and share this video to your learned colleague. See you in my next video.